Want to clear ChatGPT's saved memory and remove old files or images from your account? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to manage your ChatGPT data and start with a cleaner experience. First, open ChatGPT. Once you're on the main screen, click your profile picture in the bottom left corner and select Settings. From the menu on the left, click Personalization. This section controls how ChatGPT remembers information and personalizes future conversations based on what you've shared in the past. Now scroll down until you find Memory and click Manage. Here, you can review what ChatGPT has saved about you or access additional memory settings. If you'd like to remove everything at once, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the memory page. Then select Delete All Memories. A confirmation window will appear to make sure you don't remove your saved information by accident. Click Delete All again to confirm. Once completed, ChatGPT will no longer use any previously saved memories in future conversations, unless you choose to save new ones. If you also want to remove uploaded files or images, head back to Settings and open the Storage section. From here, you can browse your saved files and images. Simply select the item you want to remove and choose the Delete option to permanently remove it from your account storage. Cleaning up old memories, files, and images can help keep your account organized and give you more control over your data.